Here I've got Nokia 5.1 Plus, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then go to the settings, find and select digital wellbeing and parental controls, and now click on show your data. And here you've got some stats. So for example, today it was in use for 5 minutes, 3 unlocks, 30 free notifications, and if you click on it one more time, you will see the detailed screen time. Also, you've got the stats for today, and below for each app, for example, settings been in use for 3 minutes. And that will be all. This is how you can check total screen time in your Nokia. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.